Okay, family, so I am coming to you today to show you this automated machine. This is an automated braider or twister. Now, I know a lot of you guys are wondering if these machines are really real. Do they really work? Do they really exist? And I'm here to show you today that yes, they really do exist. They really do work as well. So this one particularly is not a braider, it's an automatic twister. It's an automatic twister, and I got this mainly for my grandson's head because he likes to get his hair twisted instead of braided. So it has two levers right here, one on the left side and one on the right side. And there's two levers underneath here, and when I push these up, it raises this red lever right here. So if you can see right here, see how that raises? And this is where the hair is going to go. You're going to take the hair and you're going to stick it up under these little levers right here, and then we're going to show you how it twists. So I have my mannequin head here, and what I'm going to do is do just what I said. I'm going to push this button up. It's going to raise this red lever up, and then I'm going to take the piece of hair and I'm just going to clamp the hair. Underneath, and when I let it go, it gives the hair a nice firm attachment. It just clips up under there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna raise that red lever up. I'm gonna take that piece of hair, and again, I'm just gonna slide it right underneath the lever. Now, when I let it go, it clamps. It clamps the hair good. And I've noticed that if you do not clamp the hair all the way to the end, it's not going to twist all the way underneath. All the way to the end. It's not going to twist. It's only going to start twisting from where it's clamped at. So there is a red lever or button right here. And when you push it up, it twists one side. And then when you push it down, it twists both sides. So I'm going to show you exactly how that goes. So we have both pieces of hair under here, and I'm just going to push this button upward. And when I push it up, it's going to start twisting the hair. So as you can see, it's starting to twist the hair from the bottom, and it's going to work its way on up. So can you see how it's twisting? Look how this is all loose right now. This is loose, and as I keep on twisting it, it's going to get tighter and tighter up here. Look how tight this side is already getting. This side is a little behind, but it's going to catch up. Look how tight that is. Can you see that? Look how tight that twist is. That is a nice, good twist. It is nice and tight, and that's not coming loose. And again, as I continue to keep twisting it, pushing this lever up. Remember, I'm pushing this lever up, and it is twisting. Now, once it gets tight as it can get, you'll hear it making that noise. Listen to that noise. That means it's getting as tight as it can get. It can't get much tighter than that. But look, it's all the way to the roots. Now, when I take this same button and I press it down, when I press it down, it's going to twist these two together. It's going to take these two and do a twist together. So just watch. Look how it just twisted those two together. So now it's making one big twist with the two single twists. Look at that. You see how it's twisting? Look at that twist. Look at that twist. Look how it's twisted. Oh, you guys got to see this. Look at that twist. That is a nice, good, tight twist. And you can really see that that is twisted. So these things, they really do work. They're automated. You don't have to do anything. Oh, we're going down. We're going downward. And look how it's twisting. It's twisting all the way up to the root. Look at that. Look how tight that twist is. That is a nice twist, and this is going to save a lot of time. It's going to save a lot of stress on stylists like myself who do a lot of braiding, do a lot of twisting, and our hands get tired. Our hands get tired. Our hands get stressed. Our hands, the nerves start hurting. Some people have developed carpal tunnel. It's just a lot of different things that can happen when you are a braider and you are consistently braiding every day, or even every other day, or you twisting. It takes a toll on your hands after a while. So although I don't think that these automatic machines will take the place of real stylists, but I think that they are definitely going to be beneficial. People are going to be using them. Whether they're stylists or just regular people are going to be using these, because there are a lot of people who don't know how to braid or who do not know how to twist. And this is definitely a game changer for those people and for those who have issues with their hands. So again, as you can see, as long as I keep twisting, it's going to continue to do a tighter and tighter twist until it's going to get too tight to even twist anymore. So as you can see here, that's that twist. And then what you want to do is these same levers. I'm going to push this lever up, and that's going to take this hair from underneath here, underneath this lever. Okay, so it's really up under here, meaning it really is really tight underneath here. There we go. So this is the automatic braider. This is the twist that it did. I think this twist came out really good, really nice. Like I said, especially for those who don't know how to twist. And remember when I said if you don't put it all the way to the ends, it won't twist all the way to the ends. But I mean, hey, for a stylist to have to just twist the ends a couple of times, opposed from twisting all the way up here, that is great. And for me, I know I try not to do too many heads of braiding or twists, because again, it does take a lot of toll on your hands. So I wanted to bring to you one of these automatic twisters. Well, this one is a twist. If you are interested in getting one, leave me a comment below and I'll make sure I'll get you the link. I'll help you be able to purchase one of these just so you can try it out yourself. Maybe you want to use it on yourself or maybe your kids or somebody. But again, these things really do work. They really do exist. And I do believe that as technology continues to grow and expand, which it will, and it's not going to slow down and it's not going to go anywhere, that they are going to continue to improve and make more of these and make them bigger and stronger and just do more things, because people are always coming up with more inventions and more ways to manufacture and to do what? Make money. And if they can make money on these automatic machines, braiders, twisters, or whatever, they are. So again, I just wanted to bring to you, show you how they work, how this one particularly works. Again, leave me a comment below. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and don't forget to tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.